Alrighty then. Here we are. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a Valentine's Day look, which I haven't done one of these in a long time. I feel like I've kind of drifted away from doing makeup looks. I don't know. You know, when you've got like Jeffree Star and James Charles and everyone else out there, you really just like, I can't do that. I've kind of just decided to step away from them for a while. It was kind of not really my choice. Yes, there's weird lighting here. And yes, my face is already done because we're just gonna jump right into this because I ain't got time. No time whatsoever. With that all being said, if you guys want to see what I create, then just keep watching and yeah, just jump right in. I am really bad at videos now. It's just a thing. Maybe it's because I'm getting older actually, who knows. So the palette I'm going to be using, of course, is the iconic Blood Sugar Palette because, I mean, like, screams Valentine's Day, so we're just going to use this palette. And I don't think I'm going to use any eye primer because I just haven't been, and my eyeshadow's been staying on, and I just have like what, foundation and powder on top. So, oh, and concealer. If you guys are wondering the products I used to my face, I'll have that link down below, as well as you guys have, if you've already seen my everyday makeup routine, I pretty much use the same products except for powder. I used the Airspun powder today just because this has been like the one I use on the weekends. I don't know. I'm weird like that. So we're just gonna jump right in and see what happens. I don't really know what I'm going for. I do know that I want to film the Bratz video, so that hopefully that will be out next week because I just really suck at videos lately, if you guys have noticed, and I think I've talked about it already in a video or two, so we're not even gonna get into that. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with possibly, I really want to use cavity and root canal. We're gonna just start off with some cake mix, throw that little sexual into my crease. This is a fluffy eye blender brush from e.l.f. that I really love a lot. It's been like my favorite eyeshadow brush as of lately. But yeah, so you guys know it's another one of my favorite time of the year, Valentine's Day. And I've said it in multiple videos in the past, and I will continue to say it. It's a day of love. It's a day of celebrating yourself, and if you don't have someone, then don't be bitter. Just, you know, go shopping. Stay home, watch Netflix. It's just a day. At the end of the day, it is just a day. A day. So I do have to say, above everything, I really love this palette, and I've talked about how much I love Jeffree's palettes to begin with anyway, but they are just so pigmented, like I cannot get over it. Just so as far as color goes, I think I want to make this like a really crazy, not really wearable kind of look, because I feel like I've done wearable looks in the past, and unleash your inner artist. So we're gonna dive into a little bit of, I'm scared, root canal. Never use the crazy colors. I'm just gonna focus this kind of on my outer corner right here to try and build it up a little bit. Ween and David are in the living room, in case you guys are wondering. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. And I've pretty much had Ween over all weekend because she just, I don't know, she had a moment yesterday. Build this up. I feel like I'm getting arthritis or carpal tunnel too, you guys. Like, I think like I'm officially getting old now because my hands hurt a lot. Like holding this right now is like killing me. I always have a spot right here that just never likes to hold color. I don't get why. You guys can probably see it, like it's just like the crease. Like I don't get why all the freaking time. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube consistently in forever because just everything, and like I've said in other videos, which I said I wasn't going to talk about it and then I just did that. So if my uncle's watching this, yes, I just contradicted myself, which I apparently do a lot in my videos, and I do. And I don't mean to, but I don't know, I just do it. The reason why I haven't been editing and shit and posting is because I don't like editing anymore. I don't like it. It just irritates me. I like filming. I wish I could just hire someone and just be like, here, edit my videos and put them up for me. Like, call me lazy. That's how I feel right now, and it's annoying because like I want to do more with YouTube, and I kind of would hope to quit my job and do this full time. Like, that's just a hope I have. I don't think that's gonna happen because I don't think it's realistic in my head right now, and I feel like, oh my god, do I have to dig in there? Alright, it looks a little bit better. Not that it's not realistic, but just because I feel like I don't have resources, or I'm lazy, or I'm tired when I get home from work, and like all on the weekends all I want to do is just like sit and eat shit, and I feel really shitty about myself right now. I'm not gonna lie. Not to make this like a really downward spiral video or anything, like a sad video, but I don't feel great about myself. I'm trying to figure out a way to lose weight to just feel better again because I don't. And I've been really unhealthy and looking at the scale when I shouldn't have, so not gonna do that. We're not doing that anymore. We're just gonna continue and see what happens. I have gone to the gym the first time this past week for 2 days in a row, and it sucked, but it needed to happen. So the next shade I'm going to go into is probably going to be, it's going to be Cavity right here, this beautiful pink shade that I've been itching to use forever. I don't think I've seen a better pink shade since, honestly, the Electric palette, which I loved that pink. So I'm just going to place this in the center of my eye. Try not to dip so much into the crease. I can't do a cut crease, fun fact. Brat's video I want to do, I'm going to have to do that. So I'm nervous. And after this, all this makeup's coming right off because it's Sunday and I don't want to wear makeup all day. I will say if you do use eye primer, obviously it's going to come out better, but since I'm just not... Ooh, I like that. Oh, okay, girl. I see you. I see you. So I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and I'm actually going to dip into, I feel like I want to do, what looks better? Extraction. Just get a little bit on my brush. I hear the birds and I'm just going to go over where they both root canal and cavity meet and into the crease just slightly. Just concentrating it right here in this area. I feel like I've done a look like this before, but just I wanted to play with these colors too, and that's another thing I feel like I can't expand my channel like I'd like to, is that I'm just like, everyone's doing crazy looks and doing crazy video ideas, and I really want to do that this year. That's a goal for me. So I have some videos that are planned that I am currently still working on. Like I have one about leggings and I have one about PR that I really want to get out there, but I also don't want to burn bridges or anything, so be careful with that one. I just really want to do different things on my channel this year. Like I've talked about in the past, I don't want to be a beauty channel forever. Obviously, like I'm looking to be a mom in a few years, and you know, like I'm married, I'm a wife now. Like I don't want to just do beauty, but I love makeup too, and it's just really hard. So I can just freaking blend it out. Just crazy. Wow, I don't think I've ever done anything like this. One side looks really crazy and the other side doesn't, so we're just gonna go back in and light pressure. Okay, so just as a warning, one of my eyes looks crazy because I have that weird crease thing going on. Oh, and it's already overheating. That's wonderful, and this lighting's terrible. Nothing new. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in, you don't know, I kind of want to go in with probably Candy Floss. I love that shade, fun fact. It is just so gorgeous and beautiful. Go right here and pop this right in the inner corner onto Cavity, and I'm definitely going to go back over Cavity because I don't like how it's kind of fading a little bit. Wow, I actually really like that. Okay, now I'm going to go back in that exit. I like to reuse my brushes. Would you guys want me to get the Morphe Jeffree Star brushes? Let me know down below because I'm waiting to see if there's going to be a restock, but I'm also waiting. I might buy them off eBay. Like, I have no shame. And there's one listing I'm looking at and I really just want to buy them, and I might just do it and then regret it because that's my life. I have this little Wet n Wild brush and I'm just gonna lightly go over Candy Floss meets Cavity. We're gonna go into extraction, root canal right here. I'm just gonna roll my little pencil brush. I'm just gonna take it right in the center here on my eye, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just going back into extraction. I like to roll pencil brushes in the powder, fun fact, in the shadow. Call me a weirdo, but... So I literally just blended out those two colors underneath my eye, extraction and root canal. I'm gonna go into glucose right here with this bigger fluffy brush, which, wow, Jeffree don't play. And I'm just gonna put this underneath my brow, which I don't really think matters because I still have to do, excuse me, my brows. You guys think I should still keep the packaging for Blood Sugar, by the way? Like, I have like the sleeve on the floor. Do you think I should just keep it like it is? Don't know. Don't know, I just like to keep it nice. So I'm just taking my Nude liner. This is from Wet n Wild. I think it's like $1. I love it. Put it right in my waterline so I have a appearance. We're just gonna curl our lashes. Now, of course, if you want to, you can use, and I'm sorry for this lighting, by the way, it's just my blinds, and I don't feel like being blinded. If you really want to, you can put lashes on. I'm just not really in. Okay, and we're back. So I've done a few things since my camera decided to overheat. I literally just put on some eyelash primer and mascara and curled my lashes, and I did my brows. Again, if you guys have not seen how I do that, then I will link my everyday makeup routine down below. Currently using the Voluminous Lash Paradise primer along with the mascara, and like, guys, like, can't see it because I suck, but I don't need lashes. Like literally this combo, you don't need lashes. Like lashes who? We don't know them anymore. Then I also just contoured my face a little bit and I used my new Regina George pink freaking Skin Frost from Jeffree Star just as like highlighter, but I am going to be putting more highlight over top of it. So we are just going to take out King Tut from the mystery unboxing, which I'm very happy I got these because these were a couple Skin Frosts. There's a hair that I've been wanting for such a long time now. I feel like I want to do something icy. So actually maybe we'll take the Pixi by Petra because that one's very icy. Place that over top of Regina George. Again, this look like creative. But like, oh yes. But with this blinds light, girl, it's everything. I love highlight. Holy crap, like you just like and since this isn't a realistic look, we just keep going and going and going. This is on clearance now at Target if you can find it. It's the glowy Gossamer Duo Subtle Sunrise. This was $8 I picked it up for, originally $16, which I would never buy that for $16 first of all, just because it's drugstore. I don't know, but I am actually going to go back into the Blood Sugar palette and I'm going to put more candy floss in my inner corner because I feel like you cannot see it anymore. So we're just gonna go right back in there with that and put a little bit more. I feel like sometimes, man, sometimes. There, that looks a little bit better, but I want to take it up a notch. I don't know why, but I always feel like one eye is always brighter than the other. I don't know. Then we are going to go in with, I think we might be going there for this look. So I'm going to take Jeffree Star Prom Night. This is not a Jeffree sponsored video. I just love his products. And you could obviously do like a really simple lip with this since we already got pink on the cheeks, pink on the eyes, but why not just put pink on the lips as well? So, ooh, hello, that's a lot. And that might not be the right pink for this. We gonna party like it's prom night. Oh, hello. Fun fact about prom. I have a special announcement coming soon. And I'm actually going to put the Jeffree Star Sweet Tooth Jouer lip topper over it because I do have that because I'm crazy. Hopefully that'll diffuse this a little bit because I feel like the lip's a little too red, but you know, live your life. Does anyone ever get like frustrated when it's like your lips aren't completely dry, but it's just like, me too, me too. This is a terrible lighting video, sorry guys. Oh, that's better, that's a lot better. You know what, it's makeup. Shit doesn't have to match. I will say, if you haven't tried one of these Jouer lip toppers, they're so good. You know what, I like it, keep it pink. Keep it pink. And I would also take my hair down right now. However, unfortunately, so whoa, look, decent lighting. This is the completed look. I am going to set my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist because I fucked up my MAC Fix Plus, so. But yeah, with that all being said, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this camera gives me a filter, so it's like, and I know my brow looks extra like pointed, which that was unintentional. Usually they both come out pretty decent. As of lately, I've been doing my brows a different way. But yeah, so this is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you in some way. And I hope you all have a very happy and safe Valentine's Day, whether you have someone, whether you don't, whether you're going out with your friends, whether you're staying home watching Netflix, order pizza, like, it's just a day. It's just a day. Let's just come down from the anti-Valentine's Day bullshit. Let's go. All right, because we're all done. My teacher's coming through. I love you guys. Subscribe if you'd like to, and like this video if you enjoyed, and turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new fucking video, which is very rare nowadays, which I don't like that. So hopefully I can get it together soon. I feel like I'm a little weird. Yeah, okay. But I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.